Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. I'm excited to bring this recipe to you today. It's from my best superfood kale salad. It's packed full of antioxidants. And it has coconut rice in it, which is a nice twist. And then it's served with orange juice, olive oil, and yogurt dressing. This already exceptional salad can be made even better by topping it off with my very own crispy honey nut salmon recipe. And I'll be showing you how to make that in the next video. So stay tuned for that recipe, you won't want to miss it, everyone loves it. So let's get right to making the kale superfood salad. The curly kale leaves will need to be chopped into bite-sized pieces. And the same thing for the iceberg lettuce. And I love the coconut rice that goes in this. I add the recipe amounts, but I always add a little bit more later. Start by adding 2 cups of bite-sized fresh kale pieces. 1 cup of iceberg lettuce, which is also bite-sized pieces. And I buy my coconut rice like this because it's ready in about 2 minutes in the microwave. And I add about a half cup of prepared coconut rice. Mix that into your salad just a little bit. Then add 1/4 cup of fresh blueberries. And 1/4 cup of red grapes that's been halved. And 1/4 cup of green grapes that's been sliced. I like to chop them just a little bit differently because it looks nice in the salad. And both the red and green grape do have a unique flavor of their own. Now add about 1/8 cup of slivered almonds. And also 1/8 cup of chopped pecans. Now then, about 1/8 cup of roasted sunflower seeds. 1/8 to 1/4 cup of honey roasted pistachios. Let's add a little bit more color, so we'll add about 1/2 cup of chopped strawberries. Add 1/4 cup of dried cranberries. Now you can add between 1/8 and 1/4 cup of dried cherries. And that's pretty much it, but this next part is optional. If you want Feta cheese on yours, I would suggest adding it at the very last. So this recipe amount is about enough for 2 people. And as for the dressings, you can use sweet onion dressing, it goes nicely, or this homemade dressing that I'll show you how to make. Alright, let's start by adding 1/4 cup of orange juice to a small mixing bowl. Add about 1½ tablespoons of virgin olive oil. Then 2 tablespoons of vanilla yogurt, and I use the regular yogurt, no aspartame. Then I added about 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic, just to add a little hint of garlic to it. And then just to sweeten it up a little bit, add a couple of teaspoons of white sugar. Sprinkle a little salt in, about 1/4 teaspoon. And only about 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Stir that in till it's all well incorporated, and there you have it. Your dressing for your salad is ready, and if you need more, just double the recipe of course. And put it in something that's easy to pour. Now I'm not really a salad person, but I don't mind eating this one at all. I actually really enjoy it, so I hope you do too. Now thanks so much for watching today's episode everyone, and for the recipe for the crispy honey nut salmon, stay tuned and I'll have that on my next video. Just a little reminder that I have over 230 some videos, so if you go on my channel and click on videos and scroll down, it will show you all the videos that I have there. And if you're looking for a specific recipe, click on the playlist and scroll down through that. It will help to streamline what you're looking for, and it should be easier to find. And if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe. And or give it a thumbs up and comment in the comment section. I look forward to hearing from everyone, and I welcome any requests that you might have. And when you watch the ads that surround this video, you support the channel, so thanks for doing that as well. Take care everyone, and until next time, happy eating.